In recent years of frequent natural disasters, achieving energy independence and enhancing resilience has become an urgent challenge. Among them, we would like to introduce the case of Kunigami Village in Okinawa Prefecture, which is gaining attention as a disaster-resilient hub. At the roadside station, Yambaru Pineapple Hills Aha, in Kunigami Village, Okinawa, a next-generation storage battery called a redox flow battery has been introduced to build a local disaster-resilient and self-sufficient power network. Professor Hiroaki Matsuura of Saitama Institute of Technology, who provided technical support for this installation, stated, "I feel a strong sense of social mission in the redox flow battery. This battery uses a vanadium solution and stores electricity through a circulating system. It has an extremely low risk of ignition and boasts a lifespan of over 20 years. It can also be housed in a 20-foot container, offering a high degree of installation flexibility. Because it can store electricity generated from solar panels, it greatly contributes to the utilization of renewable energy within the region. As a disaster-resilient infrastructure, it serves as a core element supporting the safe and secure lives of the people in Kunigami Village. At the same time, by collaborating with various sectors such as tourism, agriculture, education, and environmental conservation, it plays a significant role in promoting regional development. In the future, it will be combined with renewable energy to realize a sustainable energy loop. Bring power infrastructure that protects the future to your community."
Can we give back to our planet all the benefits we have received? How do we build a brighter tomorrow when the current road seems so unpromising? With these questions in mind, Kanadevia continues to move confidently forward, united in our aspirations for those yet to be born. Taking on the challenge through the power of technology to create a world that lives in balance with nature. The earth we all inhabit is life, shelter, and promise. That it can be both kind and cruel simply means that we don't control it and cannot presume to force our will upon it. Through its unique technologies, Kanadevia will realize a society in harmony with the planet. It will act carefully and decisively to use the world's resources wisely, support the environment, and mitigate the threats of an uncertain future. This is Kanadevia's way to enable our coming generations to enjoy happier lives in unity and with total peace of mind. Our technological expertise, which began with building ships, has undergone continuous innovation as we challenged and transformed ourselves in a wide range of business areas. If something's difficult, change the way you do it. When necessary, rethink the whole approach. True leadership in technology is the power to keep advancing. From now and ever onwards, let's progress together as a single team, mindful of the enormous responsibilities we carry and the future we're determined to achieve, opening the way for a new road ahead. Technology for people and planet. Kanadevia.
私が、経営をしているサグリという会社、地球そして人類の課題解決に向き合うインパクトスタートアップです。衛星から得られる情報を加工し、世界中の農地の状況を見える化する、こういったモデル作りに我々取り組んでいます。世界的に肥料の高騰というのが多くの農家さんの経費圧迫になっていると。その肥料削減をするためにはですね、土の状況を見える化させなければいけません。これを我々は窒素であったりとか炭素、pHなどの項目を高精度で推定することがアプリケーション上で可能でありまして、農家さんは肥料を削減をしていくことが可能です。農地から排出削減可能な温室効果ガス、これを評価してカーボンクレジットという形に変えて大企業に販売をしていくと。新興国でそういったプロジェクトを多数生み出すことで、この先の未来に農業現場の所得向上につながるわけですね。私自身もともと教育から事業をスタートしてるんですね。新興国、インドとかスリランカとかルワンダとかいろんな国で教育をする機会があって、子どもたちが中学高校に行けないで、どこに行くかというと親の手伝いをする。でその大半は農家だったわけですね、親が。まず一つ思ったことは、自分が何のために教育をしているのか、その子たちの未来に常に寄り添い続けられたら、もしかしたら変わるかもしれない。じゃあどうやったらそれを解決できるかという手段として選んだのが、無償で公開されると知った衛星データなんですね。インドの労働人口の約 42.6% は農家であると。インドはですね、ファイナンスをするスキームがないんですね。農家さんがどの農地で何をいつの時期生み出すのか、こういったデータを我々はですね、たくさん蓄積をしているので、それを余震に変えてお金を借りやすくする、その循環を生み出すということがネクストステップであります。その先の未来に子どもたちが不自由なくですね、暮らせるような、そういった環境を整えていきたいと思っております。
Opening the frontiers of humanity from space. ArkEdge Space. We continue to push boundaries to make the world safer, smarter, and more connected. So far, we have developed and operated 14 satellites. By establishing an industrial model for multi-type small batch production, we have built a flexible system ready to expand into a constellation of 100 satellites to meet the future demands. And now, we are turning space data into insights that empowers everyone to make better decision-making. ArkEdge Insights. It's a data platform accelerating solutions to environmental and social challenges. It collects, integrates, and analyzes data from every available source. Even without technical expertise, users can explore, predict, and act seamlessly through intuitive maps and dashboards. From space to society, We are making space data a standard tool for everyday decision making. With insights available to everyone, we move toward a safer, smarter, and truly borderless future. ArkEdge Space.
Our goal is to bring the world better and totally new living standards. This has been our goal since our foundation. The Nippon Koei Group was founded in 1946 and has since contributed to strengthening infrastructure at home and abroad. What the real issues are in each country, what its people need to live fulfilling lives. We confront these issues head-on and continue our quest for true value. Act with integrity and contribute to society through technology and engineering. This is our ethos and management philosophy. To create social infrastructure and living environments that are safe and secure, we think ahead to 50 years, 100 years from now, and envision new value. We have the technology and human resources necessary, and most of all, a powerful will. Tackle your problems with sincerity, and the road ahead shall be clear. Following these words of company founder Yutaka Kubota, we will continue to build the future.
Tsubame BHB is an ammonia synthesis technology company providing small-scale on-site green ammonia production systems. Our system makes it possible to localize green ammonia production using renewable energy, and we are striving to decarbonize the ammonia industry. 190 million tons of ammonia is produced annually, and more than 80% is utilized in fertilizer production. Ammonia is now drawing enormous attention from the world as a CO2-free fuel for power generation, maritime shipping, and can be stored as an alternative energy source. Our core technology is the electride catalyst and its dedicated engineering process. The electride catalyst is an innovative technology by the Tokyo Institute of Technology, which enables ammonia synthesis at lower temperatures and pressure compared to the conventional process. Ammonia production has been centralized around fossil fuel sources for more than 100 years. Therefore, its high transportation and storage costs were a burden for consumers at the end of the supply chain. Our ammonia synthesis system enables on-site ammonia production anywhere that demand for nitrogen fertilizer exists. Currently, ammonia is produced from fossil fuel, therefore emitting large amounts of CO2, which accounts for 1 to 2% of the world's total emissions. The ammonia industry is now shifting towards CO2-free ammonia production, including green ammonia made with renewable energy. Our small-scale on-site ammonia system makes it possible to localize green ammonia production. Thanks to this 3-year verification at the pilot plant, Tsubame BHB received its first commercial plant order in December 2022. The first plant is scheduled to start commercial operation in 2025. Tsubame BHB is striving to decarbonize the world's ammonia industry by making it possible to localize green ammonia production using renewable energy in order to pass on a sustainable planet to future generations. Thank you very much for watching.
ダイハツの工場では、すべての工程におけるエネルギー効率の最適化や再生可能エネルギーの導入など、CO2 排出ゼロに向けたさまざまな活動を進めています。地域のバイオマス資源を地産地消することで、資源とエネルギーの循環が完成。農業が持つ力を利用した ネイチャーベースドソリューションズを実現するために、地域の農業と工業が新結合することで社会課題の解決を目指します。そしてこれは世界中どこでも可能な環境への取り組みです。より良い地球のために、ダイハツはこれからもカーボンニュートラルへの歩みを進めてまいります。
Biomass bottles. Plastic, wood, metal. All materials are limited resources. If you use too much of something at once, the natural balance of the world will crumble. For example, if we turn primeval forests into farmland, in order to grow large numbers of agricultural plants, animals lose their habitats. For this reason, it is preferable to use resources that do not require new farmland or fertilizers. One of those is biomass plastic, which is made out of disposed materials. For example, tree bark, coffee or tea grounds, fruit seeds and peels, shells, eggshells and rice husks. These materials can be used to reduce the use of petroleum-based plastics. Especially plant-based waste is a carbon-neutral material as a plant absorbs CO2 during its growth. When used for bottles, the inside can be laminated with a chemically resistant plastic. It is possible to make the lamination out of a gas barrier plastic to prevent the oxygen in the atmosphere from entering the bottle. This prevents deterioration of the contents and helps to maintain the product's original quality. You could also make use of the texture of the material to create a gentle touch. All the materials used are thermoplastic, which means that the bottles can be collected after use and be recycled.
Hemix, innovate for the earth. Hemicellulose Ltd is the world's first company that developed and manufactured biomass resin using hemicellulose. All types of plants and trees can transform into pellets and products. Our products are developed with this unique integrated manufacturing process. Reducing CO2 emission is one of the environmental impacts that Hemix offers. Excellent soil and marine biodegradability is another Hemix feature. Save the rainforest, save Dagwa with Hemix.
The SIP Ocean program has developed a new type of seafloor observation platform which can be deployed 8,000 meters deep sea. The Adako Mark I is a seafloor observation platform that has a broad capacity for monitoring equipment, including a video camera, hydrophone, environmental DNA sampler, and communication tools compatible with underwater vehicles. Autonomous underwater vehicles are becoming widely adopted as useful tools for ocean environmental observation. This vehicle, Pavilion, has hovering capabilities, can navigate close to the seafloor and capture high-resolution images of the seabed. Compact autonomous underwater vehicle has been developed. This new product can be operated manually. Methods using environmental DNA are widely adopted in marine biodiversity research. Programmed DNA collection enables the elucidation of invisible changes in biodiversity within marine ecosystems.
Living on Earth, we have abundant hopes, yet limited resources. This contentment may not last forever. Will someone else do something? You may not sense it in your day-to-day life, but the Earth is really in danger now. Climate change is altering the habitats that life depends on. Whole ecosystems are at risk. The soil we use to grow food could become infertile. Even the flowers that decorate our lives could lose their color. For all life on Earth to keep thriving, that is the tomorrow we want to create. To address the environmental challenges we face, we will showcase exhibitions exploring nature-based solutions in the circular economy from multiple perspectives. By providing nature-based solutions, we will discover pathways to a more fulfilling tomorrow. There will be lots of experiences for participants to enjoy according to their interests. This expo will take place at the former Kamiseiya Communication Facility, a site returned to Japan 70 years after the war that now serves as a symbol of peace and friendship. Following the expo, the area will become a vast park dedicated to sustainability and disaster resilience. From Yokohama to Japan, from Japan to the world, and for the Earth. So that the Earth and all who call it home can continue to thrive. Preparations are now underway for Green Expo 2027.
FRUTA FRUTA, founded in 2002, is Japan's pioneer and leading acai company. Guided by the philosophy of living in harmony with nature, we support agroforestry, farming that creates forests, to help build a sustainable society where the economy and the environment coexist. We import Amazonian fruits grown through agroforestry and supply them to manufacturers and food service chains. We also offer our own products under the motto, natural, fresh, delicious, and authentic. Kanta is a cooperative established in Tomei-Asu, a Japanese immigrant settlement in state of Para, northern Brazil. Its members mainly grow fruits through agroforestry, which are processed and sold both in Brazil and abroad. Around the world, the green economy is gaining attention as people pursue sustainable agriculture. Agriculture that creates forests is the essence of agroforestry. Agroforestry is a sustainable farming model that follows natural systems and maintains biodiversity. It is being adopted globally as a revolutionary approach to agriculture. Conventional agriculture: chop down the forests to make farmland to grow monocrops. Agroforestry: growing crops at different heights, following the forest's natural systems. Planting diverse species together enriches farmland biodiversity, prevents disease, and supports sustainable agriculture. Contribution to environment and society: agroforestry products promote healthier diets and forest regeneration. It is a sustainable system where nature and economic activity coexist in harmony. Agroforestry absorbs carbon dioxide as crops grow, helping reduce greenhouse gases. FRUTA FRUTA visualizes this effect on product packages, showing the carbon dioxide reduction amount. At Tomei-Asu, around 70 different crops are cultivated across the region. These raw materials can be used in various industries, including food, fuel, cosmetics, automotive, housing, and paper. For the expansion of agroforestry, FRUTA FRUTA is building a system that enables a wide range of agroforestry products to be used by many companies as sustainable materials. Beyond our own efforts, we see it as our mission to engage other companies and promote the expansion of agroforestry together.
The CO2 source is a gas supply facility in the Idemitsu Kosan Hokkaido refinery, adjacent to the Tomakomai demonstration plant. Gas containing carbon dioxide is sent by a pipeline to the Tomakomai facilities. In the Tomakomai capture facilities, an advanced energy-saving absorption process is applied. The captured carbon dioxide is then sent to a compression facility to be injected into deep offshore sub-seabed reservoirs. The 2 injection wells in this project were drilled from onshore toward 2 offshore sub-seabed reservoirs using directional drilling technology. One well targets the MOEJJ Formation, a sandstone layer between the depths of 1,000 to 1,200 meters. The other well extends into the Takinoue Formation, a volcaniclastic layer between 2,400 to 2,800 meters deep. By drilling the wells from onshore to offshore, drilling costs were saved and disturbance of the marine environment, port, and fishing activities was avoided. Japan will continue the communication of its CCUS technology from Tomakomai to Asia and the world.
For many years, Nitto has worked to reduce adverse environmental impacts through membrane technology that produces clean water. For over 50 years, starting in the 1980s, Nitto has provided water treatment membrane technology for diverse applications. Built on this knowledge, Nitto is now developing unique separation technologies that address new challenges, which contribute to decarbonization and resource recycling efforts. Nitto's membrane technology can recover the CO2 from post-combustion exhaust gases emitted by industrial manufacturing processes. The isolated CO2 can be reused, converted, or permanently sequestered, which contributes to the reduction of harmful greenhouse gas emissions. In the bioalcohol production process, both the ethanol and the CO2 that is generated during the fermentation process is continuously removed by means of Nitto's separation membranes. This enables a more efficient fermentation process by improving the raw material utilization and streamlining the ethanol separation. Nitto solvent separation membranes provide value to industries that generate organic solvent containing wastewater streams. Using the separation membranes, the solvent can be removed from the waste stream and applied to a recycling process, thus enabling a circular economy of the resources. Nitto will continue to contribute to society and the environment through our core technologies, including the membrane-based separation technologies.
Our society is full of moving objects, as it always seeks to evolve. We seek means of transportation that are safer and more eco-friendly, home appliances that are energy-saving and comfortable, and our experiences to be more sophisticated and intelligent. Society constantly requires technological evolution to make our lives richer. NIDEC developed smaller, lighter, and more powerful motors to realize such social needs. Note PCs became as thin as actual notebooks, primarily thanks to NIDEC's HDD small motors. NIDEC's motors enabled vacuum cleaners to be power code-free, lighter, and more powerful in suctioning. These motors boast twice as much rotating speed and weigh 40% less than their predecessors. Thus, the evolution of motors has brought about dramatic changes to people's lives. To make this world more convenient, NIDEC creates smaller, more powerful motors in order to help society achieve more. To reduce pressure on the global environment, NIDEC enhances motor energy efficiency to the ultimate level, while ensuring safety with its power-controlling technologies for human-machine coexistence. For massive data processing and management in a future smart society, NIDEC provides more efficient thermal solutions. NIDEC helps society to achieve more in the future.
アルハイテックの使命はアルミニウムをリサイクルして世界を脱炭素化することです。アルミニウムリサイクルから生じる年間約35万トンのスクラップという大きな問題にも取り組んでいます。我々のソリューションは大きさ糸を使わずにアルミスクラップから水素とバイプロダクトの水酸化アルミニウムが生まれます。人の行動や機体を資源とともに循環させる、これが あらゆるものを持続可能で再生可能にする当社のビジネスの中間地区であります。
なーぬ使った油で空を飛ぶ東京油で空飛ぶ大作戦。例えば家庭から出た使用済み油を容器などに入れマンションにある専用ボックスに入れてくれれば回収。ガソリンスタンドや地域イベントなどでも回収回収。集めた油は工場に運ばれ航空燃料に生まれ変わる。その名もサーフ。使用済み油から作るサーフは二酸化炭素の排出削減効果 80% 以上。旅行や出張も環境に優しく、これぞ東京スタイルなり。飲食店やイベントで出た油も回収し、駅や自販機、学校での環境学習など周知作戦も遂行中。東京油で空飛ぶ大作戦、赤い幕、赤い幕。
How can we save the world? Everyone across the world is now experiencing the effects of climate change. Approximately 3.5 billion people are currently vulnerable to climate change, and most of them are living in developing countries. As a member of the international community, JICA aims to address this issue together through the cooperation with our partner countries.
Hello everyone, I'm Katsura Miyazaki, Executive Senior Vice President and Chief Sustainability Officer of JICA. At JICA, we are committed to realizing a sustainable world with quality growth, guided by the principle of human security, where all people can live in freedom and dignity, free from fear and want. Despite the growing uncertainty and instability in today's global landscape, JICA continues to prioritize climate action. Through technical and financial cooperation in developing countries, we support both mitigation measures to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and adaptation measures to build resilient societies. Let us take action together for a sustainable future where no one is left behind.
FLONkeeper is a refrigerant leakage detection system. It can be installed to refrigeration units to detect its refrigerant leakage at early stage. Our self-developed system, FLONkeeper, detects refrigerant leakage at 10% by using ultrasonic. Advantages of FLONkeeper: cost saving, reduced amounts of leakage, stable operation of equipment, IoT transformation for refrigeration equipment. Our unique system detects refrigerant leakage by collecting various data, such as refrigerant pressure and temperature, electric current and ambient temperature. And FLONkeeper automatically sends them to the server every 10 minutes. This provides a centralized and real-time management system of the refrigeration equipment in various stores using PCs 24 hours, 365 days. FLONkeeper is effective in solving the risks associated with refrigerant leakage.
Green Slow Mobility, a new form of town created by mobility with speeds of less than 20 kilometers per hour. Green, slow, safety, small, open. These 5 characteristics of green slow mobility will lead us to decarbonize the town and solve our daily life issues at the same time. On Ikuchi Island in Onomichi City, Hiroshima Prefecture, a local bus company has started a transportation service for tourists using green slow mobility.
Isuzu Motors offers Isuzu Logistics Strategy and Eco Drive Seminar to support our customers' efforts to operate vehicles in a safe and low-cost manner. Isuzu will continue to design and build vehicles that meet the needs of our customers. We'll also provide comprehensive support for our customers' logistics operations through classes and seminars that help improve operational efficiency and safety.
Hello, and thank you for the opportunity to speak today. I'm Denko from Daiseki, one of Japan's leading environmental companies. In Japan, about 30% of carbon dioxide emissions from waste treatment come from treating waste oil. Additionally, 40% of waste oil is incinerated without any energy recovery or recycling. And carbon dioxide is emitted during the process from the carbon in the waste oil. Surprisingly, our waste-to-energy technology treats waste oil and solvents, emitting only 2% of the greenhouse gases of simple incineration. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to welcoming you to our booth.
Realize Essential ESG Management, ESG Information Integrated Management Cloud, Estoma. Until 2100, with a rich global environment to leave humanity behind. It is a support tool that supports companies in ESG response and disclosure. Disclosure frameworks that had been scattered are now being integrated. Features 1 AI Assistant. Features 2 Automatic. Answer Generation. Features 3 Score Prediction. 1. ESG Learning. What is ESG? Thorough support for what needs to be done. 2. Internal and Group Management. Offices, sales offices, and group companies. Thorough support from ESG data collection to analysis and CO2 calculation. 3. Supplier Management. For suppliers, collect and analyze information on emissions and ESG risks, visibility into ESG risks across the value chain. 4. Information Disclosure. Conduct disclosure diagnostics to easily understand where your company stands. Use for disclosure by referring to examples from other companies' supports AI-powered writing. 5. External evaluation agencies and customer support. Respond to questionnaires from many evaluation agencies. Centralize management from response management to workflow. In addition, AI automatically generates answers from disclosed information,